Welcome to this instructional video on reducing a rational expression to lowest terms. In this video, we will focus on simplifying the expression x squared plus 3x minus 10 divided by x minus 2 to its simplest form. Make sure to follow along step by step to fully understand the process. Let's get started. Step 1. First, we need to look at the rational expression x squared plus 3x minus 10 divided by x minus 2. Our goal is to simplify this expression to its lowest terms. To do this, we start by factoring the numerator, which is x squared plus 3x minus 10. Factoring means finding numbers or expressions that multiply together to give us the original. For x squared plus 3x minus 10, we need to find two numbers that multiply to -10 and add up to 3. To solve this, we list the pairs of factors of -10. 1 times -10, -1 times 10, 2 times -5, and -2 times 5. We look for the pair that adds up to 3. 2 and -5 add up to -3, not 3. So this pair doesn't work. However, -2 and 5 add up to 3. So this pair works. Next, we rewrite the middle term 3x using -2 and 5. This means we express x squared plus 3x minus 10 as x squared minus 2x plus 5x minus 10. We've just split the middle term 3x into -2x plus 5x. This step sets us up to factor by grouping, which we'll do next. To recap, in step 1, we factored the numerator x squared plus 3x minus 10 into x squared minus 2x plus 5x minus 10. This prepares us for the next step where we will continue factoring by grouping. Step 2. Now that we have rewritten the original expression as x squared minus 2x plus 5x minus 10 divided by x minus 2, we'll proceed with factoring by grouping. First, we group the terms in pairs. This gives us two groups, x squared minus 2x and 5x minus 10. We then look at each group separately to factor out the greatest common factor. For the first group, x squared minus 2x, we can factor out x, giving us x times x minus 2. For the second group, 5x minus 10, we can factor out 5, giving us 5 times x minus 2. Writing these out, we have x times x minus 2 plus 5 times x minus 2. Next, we notice that x minus 2 is a common factor in both terms of our new expression. We can factor this common term out. This gives us x minus 2 times x plus 5. Now our expression becomes x minus 2 times x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. We can simplify this further by canceling the common term, x minus 2, from the numerator and the denominator. This leaves us with x plus 5. So, the rational expression x squared plus 3x minus 10 divided by x minus 2 simplifies to x plus 5. Therefore, x plus 5 is the simplest form of our original expression. To summarize, in step 2, we completed the process of simplifying the expression by factoring by grouping, canceling common terms, and arriving at the simplest form, x plus 5. This step concludes our solution.